What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing somewhat of a review video, showcasing video on this incredible diorama that I got. I can't thank EJC Customs enough for this. It means the world to me to have something like this now in my personal collection. This is also kind of me now showcasing my new logo. This is going to be my banner logo, my handle, everything like that for the YouTube channel. Hopefully an Instagram coming soon too, with some more short form videos and everything like that. But yeah, dude, let's get into this. This is incredible. This is a local guy. He does 3D printing, dioramas, and keychains, and just some of the coolest stuff I've ever seen. And because I kind of have limited space for my collection, I wasn't, planning on doing dioramas, maybe some like displays and stuff like that in the future. But I mean, this is just I can't get over how cool this is. This is awesome. I mean, he did it in Advan colors. It's some of my favorite stuff. I mean, it looks great. It fits the collection and the type of cars that I collect. All livery stuff. Anybody who knows me knows I love anything that has a livery on it. Golf, Advan, HKS, Falcon, stuff like that. So this was a treat to get. And yeah, I just want to show some of his stuff off because he sells these. These are his products. He makes all of these. He puts them together. He can do whatever colors and mirror versions of this and bigger versions, and he does keychains. And then this is one of the coolest things. I mean, this is a little burnout piece. I mean, it looks like the car's doing a burnout. This is incredible. I mean, this is wild, dude. To have this in your collection and put up a diorama or something and just have that in front of it like the car's burning out. And then, you got the police car chasing them or something. Like, this is wild, Like, I'm going to bring the camera down. I'm going to give you guys a better view of everything in here and just show you up close. But this is awesome, and I just wanted to show it off to you guys. And I'm going to put all of his socials down in the description. Go give him a follow. Go get some stuff from him. He's got awesome stuff. I mean, tire racks. You could put your tires on there. Obviously, mine have axles in them right now, but they fit perfectly on there. Like tire racks. We got a coffee table. I mean, couches, everything like that. I mean, it's wild. These are bed covers for Chevy C10 and an 83 Silverado, and these snap in. They cover the bed. They look great. They make the trucks look more sleek. I don't have any, surprisingly. I think I have some buried somewhere, but I couldn't find any to pull out to show you guys. But these snap right into the beds, and they don't fit over it. They don't have like a big gap or anything. They fit right into the bed. They snap in. There's little pieces here, little tabs that stick up, and they snap right into the bed. These look awesome. I mean, yeah, I can't thank him enough for doing this. Let me pull this camera down and I'll give you guys a closer look at everything. All right, look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's got my logo on there. This is me, HW Ninja, Hot Wheels Ninja. Got the sword on there. Got your little lounge area up here. I got to get some little people now for this. I mean, whew. This stuff looks good. Oh, let's put this bad boy in there. Oh, we're all parking crooked today. Why not? Some nice slammed cars in there. I kind of want to add some LEDs up under here to showcase these cars a little bit better. I don't know if that's an option from him. You guys might have to hit him up about that. That might be a little bit extra, but I mean, hit him up about it. But I think I might put a little LED, like a little button and battery somewhere, battery pack in the back. Who knows? But man, this is so cool. I mean, this meant a lot to me. I mean, I wasn't expecting to start this YouTube channel, and I mean, the amount of support and help that I'm getting from everybody, and the people pushing me to do more and wanting to see more content, it's kind of mind-blowing to me. And David, who owns EJC Customs, he's a local guy here in Central Florida, and I mean, he hooked me up with this. I mean, I helped him out. He's another local collector too. He loves Hot Wheels, and I think that's one of the things that I love most about this hobby is that you get to meet so many cool people and start friendships and stuff, and it's just one of those things where like you're looking out for everybody, and you know there are some bad apples that you meet in this hobby, but I mean, when somebody helps you out like this, you can't help but just appreciate, you know, the people that you meet in this hobby, and it does mean a lot. And David, I know you're probably watching this, so I just want to say thank you again from the bottom of my heart. This is awesome. I get to see, you know, the logo that I designed and put together myself. I get to see it come to life now, and this will 100% be in every video from now on. You guys will see this every time. I will throw different cars on it every time for you guys. I will put different stuff in there, customs or, you know, whatever the case. I might throw some Kaidos in there. I might take some RLCs and throw them in there. Who knows, you know? But yeah, this is amazing to me, and it means a lot. And I just wanted to show you guys. And the quality is incredible. I mean, it's got some weight to it. I mean, just everything's fitted perfectly. It's even got some little like details of like the pillars are eroding, you know, like it's wild. There's stairs, there's little windows in the back. You could backlight this thing if you want. Oh, there's a little sticker stuck back there. That was for the 83 Silverado covers. But I mean, just that's insane to me, you know. Oh man, look at that. Just incredible. I can't get over it. It looks so good. Oh man, let me pause this real quick, and I'm gonna throw some Kaido houses down here and show you guys. Yeah, I can't get over how good this looks. It's one of the best displays. It looks so good. So I did talk to David a little bit after recording the first half of the video, and I just want to kind of clear some things up. He let me know. He is on TikTok. He's on Facebook. Like I said, I'm going to put his socials down below. He does ship. He does a ton of different custom work for you guys. He does LED signs that are 3D printed. He can install LEDs under here for you, ones that change colors and stuff like that. He's got a bunch of different stuff that he can do. So if you hit him up and you want something specific, he can make it for you. I think that's the coolest part about this, is that whatever you want, I mean, this was a total surprise for me. So whatever you're looking for and whatever you want, he can do. So hit him up, see whatever project you want or that you're working on, let him know, and he will figure out a way to do it. He does stickers, he does bigger dioramas, displays, like I said, keychain. I mean, anything that you could possibly 3D print, he could do it. But when it comes to diecast stuff, I mean, this is just, it's top tier for me. I can't get over it, and I can't thank him enough. He does some of the coolest stuff. So yeah, hit him up. Just let him know what you guys are looking for, and you know, we'll definitely be seeing this in future videos. Like I said, it's gonna be my my new display for everybody to see. So that'll be in every video from now on. David, I promise it'll be in every video. I'll probably end up getting a couple more things from him down the road. He's got great prices too, so hit him up. He's not overcharging like a lot of these guys. You know, some of these guys are charging ridiculous prices for something like this. You know, like $100. That's not. He's not charging $100. I can tell you that. He's charging fair prices. They look good. They're sturdy. And like I said, he does custom work, and he can put LEDs in here. Like, he can pretty much work with anything that you're looking to do. So hit him up. I mean, if you got a logo, have him put your logo on there. You know, work with him on that. He's working on some other stuff for me right now, actually, and I'm excited because a lot of it's going to be going up in the videos from now on. So yeah, I'm stoked, and I'm just elated still. I mean, I talked to him, and it's been, you know, a day now that I've gotten this, and every time I look at it, it's just it's awesome seeing everything come to life and being able to put cool stuff on it. And now it's a centerpiece. Well, not centerpiece, I guess. But it's going to be a part of the videos from now on. It means a lot. So having somebody, you know, local that's cool like that and willing to help out and support what I'm doing with this channel is awesome. So yeah, that's kind of it. I just wanted to show you guys that and kind of showcase his products and make you guys aware of that. And go hit him up. I mean, support, you know, your local small businesses. I've always been a fan of doing that. So go support him. Go hit him up. Go see what he can make for you. I'm sure it'll be mind-blowing. But yeah, this will be in the video. I got a few other videos that I'm working on. We're tearing this guy apart soon. This video is coming out soon. Editing is not easy. I'm working on editing that today. So we should see that soon. I'm still trying to figure it out. A lot of the app interfaces are a little weird. I've never done content creation before, so I'm still learning. So bear with me. It's taking longer than expected. I expected it to be easier. It's not. It's not as simple as just recording 2.5 hours and then posting it. Nobody wants to watch 2.5 hours. So I'm trying to water it down a little bit and make it watchable and entertaining and enjoyable. So yeah, I with people pushing me to do these videos and create content, I want to make it good content. So yeah, just bear with me, have a little patience. I do apologize for not getting them out faster. I really want to. And then I do have some potential Hot Wheel killer videos, these majorettes. That's another one that's in the works, so you guys will see that one soon as well. But yeah, the custom videos are way harder because it's so much more footage to cut down. So yeah, I'm working on it. I'm doing my best. I hope it comes out decent. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the future. And yeah, till next time, peace.